It's Linda and I'm from Spring, Texas, and I'd like to tell you my story about my total knee replacement. I'm going to give you some background on my history. Growing up, I played a lot of sports in grade school, in high school. I also played collegiate volleyball. After I got out of college, I played all kinds of sports, which led me up to 2006 when I had to stop playing sports just due to the wear and tear on my knee. In the late 70s, I had my first meniscus repair. After that, I probably had 3 to 4 other ones. I believe 2006 was my last one. So that brings me up to now, which I had my total knee replacement at the end of September. I'm on week 5 right now, so I want to share with you the protocol that I used to get up to this point. Also, I'm a massage therapist in the state of Texas, so that was very helpful in my progress. What I did is I used the MicroLight Laser 3 times a day. I iced my knee, I used essential oils, and I also did a lot of stretching, which helped me to have more flexibility and mobility while I've been going through this healing process. My range of motion right now, at week 4, it was 121, and I was told by my physical therapist that at week 6 it should be 90 degrees. So I'm ahead there, so that's awesome. Anyone that has a total replacement, it's very, very important to go to physical therapy, and also, if you can, most definitely the MicroLight Laser. That's been the key, as well as massage, icing, and exercising, and essential oils.